Why is Kotlin unbeatable for Android development? Let's break it down. Number 1, it's Google's official language for Android. That means it's fully supported, gets regular updates, and is future-proof for years to come. Number 2, less code, fewer bugs. Compared to Java, Kotlin lets you write up to 40% less code, which makes your projects easier to manage and reduces the chance of errors. Number 3, it works perfectly with Java. Kotlin is fully interoperable, so you can use it alongside your existing Java code without rewriting everything from scratch. Number 4, it's modern and developer-friendly. Kotlin comes with features like coroutines for easy background tasks, null safety to prevent crashes, and smart casts to make coding faster and cleaner. Number 5, it's not just for Android. With Kotlin multi-platform, you can share code between Android and iOS, creating apps for both platforms from a single code base. And number 6, a growing community and strong industry adoption. Big companies like Netflix, Pinterest, and Trello are already using Kotlin in their apps, which means more job opportunities for developers like you. So, whether you're just starting or already an experienced developer, Kotlin gives you the tools to build faster, safer, and smarter apps. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Kotlin tips, tutorials, and app development ideas every week.